Hey, what's up guys? I am back with another video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I get this bomb ass 30-inch ponytail. This ponytail is from Sensational. This is their instant ponytail. It is in a yaki texture and it's 30 inches. I got this, I believe, from ebonyline.com. I believe that's the website. I got this for about like $8, $8 or $9. I bought 2 of them because I can't find them in my beauty supply stores. So had to search online and got it. And it didn't take too long to get to me, but I will have all of the information down in the description box below. And guys, if you want to achieve this look, this cute, inexpensive, no bundle ponytail, definitely stay tuned. Bye.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Thanks to take my swine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing